that was my point, right? Because if he's locked up, no one will get to know him. People forget. When you are locked up, people forget about you, right?
Bro, do you not hear what I'm saying? That's why I said.
Wack's point.
That's what I said. This documentary.
You didn't know about him until like somebody else.
On Wack. Why am I going back?
You didn't know like that. It's like, bro, you did not. This man been gone since 1973, bro. You just 4 years ago learned who he was. People don't know. Everybody not doing what you doing. The documentary, if it was promoted right, marketed right, put out there right, it would have gave awareness of who he was. And if Jay Prince was on his job, he'd already had a movie script written. And at the end of this documentary, it could have been a coming soon with a trailer. When people now anticipate the movie, it's going to be a movie on this dude. They watching him sit in prison. All he doing in this shit, we got is sitting in prison behind the glass giving his life story. It's not a movie. There's no cars moving. There's no women dancing. None of that shit. It's him sitting down behind the glass telling his life story, which would have brought awareness to who he is, which would have brought anticipation to a movie. The rights stay on. I don't get what.
Mike, check Wack.
Yo, this all thing I'm saying is this would have brought awareness to who this man is to the masses, right? So people could be anticipating a movie if the dude, Little Jay Prince, would do his job, go get something done, get a trailer done, get something done, to where niggas could attach that to the end of the documentary, so people will be anticipating this shit. When you gonna start doing your part? You got the rights, life rights. What's the problem?
Shit, if Wack would have had on that shit, he would have pressed that button.
Bro, what's the right? My nigga, he ain't even got a script. When I asked him, bro, you got a script? Nah, I ain't got to it yet. Oh, okay.
Drake and Kanye West tour was in promotion towards their
bro, once again, okay, where's the script at?
Man, we ain't got no script.
Clips they used was from Wack. They didn't even get their own shit. They got the clips from Wack.
Oh, bro, like, the fuck?
Why you let Jay mark you out like that?
This nigga's an idiot. Talk to niggas like this no more.
You sound like the dude who said they named the damn after him.
Man,
go back to school.
Wack even mentioned his name. Nobody was even talking about Jay.
This whole room is about it. Come on.
Get Matt there.
That nigga had a book come out. Ain't nobody talk about it.
A book of what?
A book of secrets.
Real shit. Book came out. Nobody talked about it. He had every rapper in the world posting it. Nobody gave a damn.
That was a good ass book.
Every rapper was promoting that shit. Still,
that book was good.
He got a little clip with every rapper.
Hey, you tripping? That book was good.
He didn't say it wasn't good. He just said nobody bought it.
Nobody brought it.
That book was ass.
I don't know what you talking about.
Who had a book that came out? Jay Prince?
Yeah. Hey,
that nigga
just brought that book, bro. Don't do it like
that.
What's your favorite chapter? Tell us your favorite chapter.
What's your favorite? Bro, I ain't gonna let you talk down on my city. It's not your book. I'm tolerating a little bit, but
do you live in a book? Do you live in a book? Because that's what we're talking about.
Yeah, but I'm saying.
All right, if you don't live in a book, then don't compare it to Chicago. What's your favorite chapter? What's your favorite chapter in the book? What's your favorite chapter in the book? Sir, can you answer that, please? Y'all hear that? You don't even know your favorite chapter of the book you talk about. It was the best book alive. Yeah, because you're Googling it right now. You should be able to say it.
I'm talking.
I ain't even
say the chapter.
I'm talking to one person, y'all. Boy, it's too much ass cheeking in this motherfucker, man. Y'all be riding this shit, bro.
Just like you booty clapping for the book, right? That you did not read?
I'm not, nigga.
You don't know not one chapter.
Ain't nobody just talk, y'all.
You don't know the fucking chapter. Move on. Let's go.
They didn't say nothing about our six. Talking about the book and Jay Prince. What are you talking about? They're not talking about
Well, if you
He talking about nobody brought it, but people brought that book.
But you said that you bought it, so we asking you the chapter. What's your favorite chapter? What's your favorite chapter?
It was a pretty good book.
What's your favorite chapter,
I'm
Earl?
talking about it. My favorite chapter.
Yes.
When you say first chapter,
right a lot, and he had to.
Bro, just Google a chapter and answer the question. Cause
I'm trying to say it. Started real
He said the introduction.
I didn't say
The introduction.
I like to example on content.
Yo, all I'm saying, hey, when you try to
The book though.
Someone said the book.
real dad, and after his mom died, how he connected with his real dad.
That's not a chapter. That's a segment in the book. I asked for the chapter. That's a segment.
It's not.
That's a sentence.